Hi everyone, I am mother of Ashika Savrikar, the student of Synergy National School, Ambazogai Grade 2. Today I am here to share my views upon the Synergy Foundation which we are being part since 4 years. I would like to tell that I am not actual from an Ambazogai city. My husband has a transferable job and we have been shifted to Ambazogai 4 years ago. The time when we got an order of a transfer to Ambazogai, I was really worried about the education of my daughter because she was just 2.5 years old, and I always thought that the base is the most important thing while you're looking for an education. And I was thinking of being at a small place, being at a small town, how I'm going to manage or how I'm going to able to get a good education or a good school for my daughter. But after reaching here, my husband's friend has suggested us that we should take an admission to a Synergy National School, and at that time we have decided, okay, finally we will take admission to the Synergy Foundation. But right from the second month, I have started to feel that the Synergy is really a good institute, a good organization. I must say that I have seen my daughter progressing in each and every aspect. She started loving going to school. I have never heard in 4 years that my daughter have ever said that I don't want to go to school. She always used to be very excited to go to school because the Synergy has developed such a pleasant, such a motivating environment, such a happy environment in school that kids love to go to school. It's not only that they focus on the only just curricular activities and leaving behind other curricular activities, but they keep a valuable balance for both the activities, because I personally feel that only the curricular being best at the curricular activity is not enough. You should do some extracurricular activities too, because it boosts up your personality. So I have seen my daughter growing in each and every aspect, and right from nursery till grade 2, I never had a second thought to even change a school for her, because the Synergy was the best. The next thing, that as we know that we are going through a pandemic since 1.5 years, during this pandemic too, this Synergy Foundation never has stepped backward. Instead, they have moved forward with more confidence, more efficiency, and has put a lots of efforts to make this environment more healthy, more interactive for their kids, so that the way they used to enjoy their schools, they should enjoy their studies at their homes too. It was not an easy job, not only for kids but also for the teachers, parents and everyone, because handling all these things online was new to everyone. But they have made it possible with their hard work, with their efficiency, with their complete dedication, which has now, after passing the 1 year, the kids have learned everything online very happily, very effectively. Yes, after passing a 1 year too, my daughter is learning things online, handling all the things, means computers, laptops, net connections, Zoom calls, everything. And she still loves her studies, because the Synergy has developed such environment which makes her feel more confident, more interactive. She loves her students, she loves her classmates, her teachers, and she's eagerly waiting that when the school will reopen and she will meet everyone. But Along with that, the school has taken efforts not only teaching online but taking examinations online as well as offline, for making it very healthy environment, making a healthy environment for the students, so that even after the pandemic is over, when they will rejoin the schools, it will not become hectic for the students. Yes, it is now a tough time. Even I, as a parent, on behalf of every parent, would say that we are with you. We are learning new things with you along with our kids, and we will always support the school because we know they are trying their best. Along with that, the extracurricular activities they always go for are very enjoyable, very attractive, and very participative. My daughter always participates in various activities. I always say her that do whatever you like, do whatever you love to do. I only help her to make it more presentative, more attractive, so that it looks good. But rest of the things she performs by her own. Because the things that I personally feel that only curricular is not enough. You should have some extracurricular activities, you should do things, because whenever you try something new, you learn something new. Because learning is more important. You should not have anything in your mind that you can't do something, but you should always give your 100% at least for attempting that thing, so that you could at least learn some new thing from that. So thanks for that too, because the schools, the Synergy National School is handling all those things, being away from the kids, handling all these things online, taking so much efforts so that their kids enjoy learning, because that's the basic thing I have always seen with the Synergy National School, that they make such environment that kids not only enjoy the studies but also love the environment they are in, and that's why they love the school, and that's more important. And other than that, I would like to thank the founder, the chairperson, principals, directors, the coordinators, teachers, as well as the non-teaching staff who have always given their 100%, because I have seen right from since 4 years they are growing, they are moving each step forward, they are putting more efforts, they are showing that they can again make a new success point, they can achieve a new heights, they can make a new way that the kids could enjoy in the school. They can make new ways that they can learn in different way, they could feel happy. Along with that, they could complete their studies, and the time when they will rejoin the school, it will not become a hectic or a pressurized situation for them. Along with that, I would like to say that keep going, we are with you. Stay positive, stay healthy, take precautions, but I am sure that the Synergy National School will always give their best, because just opening an institution or a school is not enough. You have to give your heart, soul, you have to give your dedication, so that the future that is coming out from the school, the future of the country, the project you are developing is of the best quality, and the Synergy is doing that. So I'm very thankful. On behalf of all of the parents, I want to pay a special gratitude to the Synergy Foundation, that they are doing the best job. Thank you so much.